What if you had a magic ATM machine where every $1 you gave it, it gave you three back? How many dollars would you put in? That's exactly what high ticket affiliate marketing can do for you when you learn how to use it. Hi, I'm McCall, and welcome to my Intro to High Ticket Affiliate Marketing series. It's going to be a six-part series that brings you from knowing nothing about high ticket affiliate marketing to knowing exactly where to go and which direction to move forward to start your own profitable online business. So let's get into it. I used to work a traditional 9 to 5. And while it looked good on paper, I just knew that I was meant for more. And I just wanted something a little bit different for my life. I wanted my days structured the way that I wanted. I didn't want to have to ask someone for permission to take time off or be with my kids or just spend my days doing the things that I wanted. I wanted freedom. I wanted time with my babies. And I wanted to stop trading my precious time for a paycheck. That's when I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing and it changed everything. In this video, I'm breaking down the mindset shift about online business that took me from burnt out to thriving in a profitable business that earns thousands per sale. But first things first, let's get a few things out of the way. I didn't go viral. I don't have a large audience and I didn't have to build some massive brand from scratch. But what I did learn is how to pair system automations with high ticket affiliate marketing to then in turn run paid ads that turn clicks into $1,000 worth of commissions in a single sale. You promote someone else's product online, so they're taking care of the customer service, they're taking care of the shipping and fulfillment, and you are just facilitating customers their way, and then you earn between $1,000 and $7,000 per sale. That's what I mean when I say high ticket affiliate marketing. If you're watching this video, you're probably familiar with just the term affiliate marketing, and affiliates can range anywhere from Amazon affiliates that's paying out cents on the dollar all the way up to what I'm referring to as high ticket commissions, which means commissions in the four-figure range. It's just affiliate marketing leveled up. Now, why do I say it's like a magic ATM? Because that's what it feels like when your ad strategy starts bringing in clicks that then turn into commissions. Just to give you one example, my personal mentor just last year ran $19,000 worth of ads. Sounds like a lot, right? But she brought in profit $650,000. Now, it might take you a minute to scale up to that amount of ad spend, but what I'm trying to demonstrate for you here is the incredible return on investment that ad spend can be when you're selling or promoting the right product. That return on investment was over 3,321%. And that's from someone that was a waitress, not some sort of tech bro. If you want to check out my interview with Samara about her journey, I'm going to go ahead and link that video up above so you can check it out. Samara was a waitress before she started high ticket affiliate marketing. And if it can work for waitresses and moms and dads and police officers, it can work for you too. It can work for regular people because you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to do inventory or shipping. And it's not going to take you years to figure it out because there's a blueprint laid out for you already. But what you do need is to pair with the right product. You need to have automated systems to plug into so that things can run in the background. And you need a positive attitude and the willingness to learn a few new skills. If you've ever felt stuck because every online business that you've ever looked into is going to require you to post three reels a day or dance on TikTok or try and go viral by just putting out all the short form content and dancing and, praying to the algorithm gods or spend years building your own personal brand before you can start profiting from it, if that's not for you, then you might want to wait and hear a little bit more about why high ticket affiliate marketing could be the right thing for you. It's how I finally broke through from making a mere $24 in profit per sale from my Etsy business. If you've been around this channel, you know that was my first foray into online business to now making thousands per sale with high ticket affiliate marketing, all with way less hassle and way less headache. And no, you don't need to be any sort of expert. You just need to understand the system and be willing to learn, which is what this whole intro to high ticket affiliate marketing series is all about. So if you're like, yes, this is what I've been waiting for, and I don't want to have to watch all 6 videos in the series, I have 2 different resources that you can check out right now. The first is my free ebook. It's called The High Ticket Formula, Your Step-by-Step Guide to Earning 4-Figure Commissions Online. Just put in your email where you want that ebook delivered, and it's going to deliver that right into your ebox, and that link is down below. And the second is a free 30-minute web class. So if you prefer your medium in a video format like this, but you just want it in one short, compact video, that web class is also linked below. That is hosted by my personal 7-figure mentor who's earned over $4 million doing this exact business model. So if you don't want the 6-part video series and you just want to jump to the chase, you can go ahead and link either of those. Both are free. This video, we're going to jump all into why over 92% of online businesses fail in the first few months. We're going to explore why that's the case and how you can overcome those challenges with the high ticket affiliate marketing business model so that you can see success, right? Because people start an online business in order to be successful and in order to give themselves substantial income that can actually change their life. So if you would like to kind of, take charge of your life a little bit more, have a serious online business model that has potential to actually change your life without spinning your wheels for years and years, I will go ahead and see you in part 2. Otherwise, you can go ahead and just check out either of those 2 resources down below.